Fresh, white walls make a space look bigger, brighter, and cleaner most of the time. The problem with white walls is they easily become dirty. Whether it be due to scuffs from moving furniture or fingerprints from little ones, it's difficult to keep a home looking fresh when the walls show every sign of wear and tear. Luckily, there are plenty of ways to get your walls looking spick and span again. White walls can be cleaned with household solutions like dish soap or a paste of baking soda and water, which can be applied with a wet sponge and wiped away. It's also possible to make them bright and fresh again with commercial products like all-purpose cleaners and magic erasers. Watch on for a few simple methods that will get your walls from looking smudged to smell. How often should you clean your walls? Walls can usually wait to be cleaned during deep cleans or before important home events, like moving in or moving out. However, our walls can get dirty after entertaining or in the warmer months when we open our windows to let the fresh air in. More often, walls require spot cleaning, especially in homes with children. Unpack. Choose a schedule that works best for you, your home, and your needs. Instructions. Assess the damage and get the tools you'll need. What exactly are you dealing with? Are you just in need of ceiling to floor dust down? Are you looking at a few thumbprints or a scuff longer than your forearm? The size and type of stain or mark heavily determine what supplies you'll need. For the most part, you can tackle any stain with a soft sponge or microfiber cloth. But for extra stubborn stuff, you might need a magic eraser or a scrubber brush. If you're not dealing with a spot and are more in the market for a good old-fashioned dust down, grab a step ladder, a damp microfiber cloth, an extra cup of coffee, and get to work. Make sure to check your microfiber as you work. Rinse it and wring it out as it gets dirty. You can add a few sprays of all-purpose cleaner here if you like, but it's not entirely necessary, just more of a personal preference. You can pair any all-purpose cleaner with a microfiber cloth, rag, or paper towel according to your preference. Try to choose an all-purpose cleaner with an almost soapy texture. You'll likely use the same one to tackle greased messes in your kitchen. These work the best for picking up sticky messes, like if some food or drink is spilled on your white wall. The all-purpose cleaner method works best if you catch a stain immediately. Don't let the name of the product deceive you. Dish soap actually makes a fantastic cleaner for surfaces all around your home, from countertops to carpets. Try to opt for a mild dish soap that doesn't have a lot of heavy fragrance or other harsh chemicals. For a stain that isn't quite budging, grab a soft sponge, get it wet, add a dot of dish soap, and sud up the stain. Gently rub the stain until you see suds. Let it sit for a bit, and then wipe it clean with a wet microfiber cloth. You may have to repeat the process 2 or 3 times. Baking soda. Got a really stubborn spot that's still stuck? Try this natural remedy for all types of stains and surfaces. Grab some baking soda and a bowl. Create a paste using 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. It should have a slightly sticky texture, so adjust your ratio accordingly. Gently spread the paste on the wall with a wet sponge. Let it sit the longer. Once the spot is sufficiently soaked, wipe clean with a damp microfiber cloth, paper towel. Still no luck? When all else fails, it's time to whip out the big guns. Get a magic eraser wet and gently wipe the stain or scuff until the walls are clean. Magic erasers are so strong that this should require little to no elbow grease. Use caution on gloss and semi-gloss painted wall. The magic eraser can leave a noticeable dull spot if used aggressively while scrubbing. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.